Today, I'm going to teach you how to save changes in Elementor. This is a fundamental skill you'll need. Every time you work on your WordPress site with Elementor, ensuring your edits are properly stored and visible to your visitors, first you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you manage everything related to your website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where all your main navigation options live. Next, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This section displays every page on your website, making it easy to locate exactly what you want to edit. Scroll through your list of pages until you find the one you're looking to modify. Once you've found your target page, click on Edit with Elementor. This action opens up the Elementor Editor interface, which is where all the magic happens. The Elementor Editor uses a drag-and-drop system that makes designing your pages intuitive and visual. Now it's time to make your desired changes. For example, you might want to swap out an image. Simply click on the element you want to modify, and the left panel will display all the customization options available for that particular element. This is where you can upload new images, adjust settings, or tweak any aspect of your design. After you've made all the changes you're happy with, look for the Publish button located in the upper right panel of the editor. This button is your key to making sure everything you've worked on gets properly saved. Click on it to save your modifications. You'll notice the button briefly turns gray. This visual indicator shows that Elementor is processing your save request and storing all your changes to the database. Don't navigate away during this moment, as it ensures everything is properly committed. If you want to see how your changes look before making them live to the world, click the eye icon next to the Update button. This preview feature lets you view your page exactly as visitors would see it, giving you the chance to spot any issues or make final adjustments before publishing. And there you have it. Your changes are now saved in Elementor, and your page is updated with all your new edits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.